It's been a wonderful 4 years for us with CodingZen. My son joined in grade 6, and in the process he's learned so many things. In the beginning he would be very reluctant to get up on a Saturday morning and go for classes, but we kept up the rigor. We kept pushing him to attend, and finally 4 years later we're so glad what we did, because he's very proud of what he's being able to do. He's having so much fun in each of those classes. Sometimes the classes go from 2 hours to even longer, and he never complains. He's just finished coding a game, which is bringing him a whole amount of pride and joy. So that's all we need as parents, right? That our children feel happy and proud of who they are and what they do. So great stuff, codings. And the great thing is that they really listen. Every single feedback is taken into consideration. It is acted upon, and you will actually see the improvement from the very next class. So it feels all very personal and individually tailored, and not like a mass class that you just go to. In that sense, we've been very happy, and so is our son. Definitely recommend coding that.